Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, you might have got a message about your smart washing machine that it needs self-cleaning. So this is what I'm gonna tell you what you can do. So I have this Samsung machine and I got this notification in my phone that it needs self-cleaning. So how you do self-cleaning? First of all, there's a self-cleaning mode here that you can run. So that's step one. Step number two is to clean the filter. After that, run. Depending upon the model, you will have something like this where you can take the filter out and clean, and this you have to do in step 2. Don't do it in step 1. Okay, this is step 2. Just release it. It will have some water, some hairs, maybe small objects like coins. This is so that can be taken out. Step number 3 is, you see this area also you have to clean. You may find something here also, some small objects as I just found. Okay, so I'm going to show you step number 1. Step number 2, I have made a detailed video that I'm going to include in the link in the description. Step number 3, again you have to do the same. See, I found this color, this, depending upon your machine there could be additional or different. Self clean. Okay, so what it does, it throws hot water inside and cleans everything, and then that's step number 2 and this is step number 3. So if you do this, this is how the life of your machine is gonna be increased. And a lot of these smart machines are programmed that after a certain number of cycle they recommend doing this. So that is how it works guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.